Right, hi guys. So this is one of my typical gardens. It's grass cut, keep the border in check. And today there's a conifer in the corner which I'm going to trim back. We do a couple of times a year, so usually it's just the garden and the border. And this bit here usually takes care of itself. There's the odd way to plough and stuff, but that's okay. That's the conifer, and this is the garden. So nice lawn, got the border down the right hand side, and then by the conifer there you've got a bit of a border as well, a bit of a flower bed, so that I keep that in check as well. And this was one of my first ever driveway cleans as well, so they're a decent customer and I've done work for that as well. So yeah, so I'm going to show you, I'm basically going to film the conifer trim. So it's a funny old shape, I'm caught in two minds. The top bit kind of goes like a bit skew with, so maybe you can tell us I've trimmed it here. I'm not going to do any more today because I haven't got time. It'll probably be next time if I do decide to shape it a bit more, but I'm not sure because it looks alright from this angle. Right, I've just cut the grass. You can see behind us, there it is, there's the grass, and I'm going to leave it because I think this garden always looks lovely when the grass is cut. And the shape, I think it's supposed to be that shape really, to be honest. I think it looks good the way it does, kind of the top arches to the corner. It goes really well from this point of view, and this is like where you first see the garden. I think if I'm messing about with the shape, it won't look right at all really. So yeah, I'm going to leave it. Do you agree or not? Pop your answer in the comments. Right, see you in the next one guys, cheers.